Today we've got a Purasolve high pressure parts washer, and we'll step you through the basic and easy operation of how to use the machine. Starting off with a two-handed door operating switch, which you operate to open the door, giving you a very wide open clear lit working space. So you come along with your parts, put your greasy dirty parts inside. Then again a two-hand door operation to close it, and then simply turn the heating element on and the pump on, and then slip your hands through the gloves, and you've got a safety foot pedal at the bottom, and then then you're right to go to clean with high pressure wash down nozzle. This ensures you have a clean and safe and effective workshop, being able to keep the operator out of the area of the cleaning solution. So you want to know more, reach out to the team today for the Purasolve high pressure parts washer.